What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac XTS Smart Key Remote Fob. This Cadillac XTS key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we can see there's this space right here in between the back cover and the rest of the key fob that the end of the screwdriver's in. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and stick it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way in there. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it pops that back cover up a little bit. Go ahead and pull the back cover off. And then we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that little holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, like that, plus side down. Snap that into the holder, and then we can snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.